me when. Okay. Namaste. I am Jay. I've come from the UK to join the Mantra Yoga Meditation Teacher Training course. We have finished and it's been an incredible experience. Every single day has been a challenge and single day has been a learning curve, and we have, every single one of us, developed as human beings as a result. We have learnt so much, not only from an intellectual level, an academic level, but we've also grown as a group. We've grown individually. We've been very well supported by the team. Every instructor has connected with us and helped us through this. Food has been delicious. We've been eating very organic, fresh food every day. And it's been overall a very, very positive experience, and very happy to have been a part of the team.